Welcome to Math Lesson 146, second grade. We will have today about place value to the hundred thousands. You can open up your math books if you don't have them open yet, and I'll go over that top box with you. So, lesson 146, the box there on the top, it's talking about going the whole way to the hundred thousands. So we start at ones place, so the ones place has 3 ones. The tens place has 2 sets of tens. The hundreds place has 4 sets of hundreds. The thousands place has 1 set of thousands. And the 10,000s place has 5 sets of 10,000s. And the 100,000s place has 6 sets of 100,000s. So the number that they were working with was 651,423. Okay, so let's look here on the board at some review. We're going to think about going by fives here on the blank. So we will go by fives. We're starting at 2,600 and we're going the whole way to 2,650 by fives. So we will start at 2,600, 2,605, 2,610, 2,615, 2,620, 2,625, 2,630, 2,635, 2,640, 2,645, and 2,650. Okay, and then over here we have going by hundreds. So when we go by hundreds, we look in the hundreds place and we will change that number, and the rest of them stay the same. So before 983 would be 883. After 983, 10 comes after 9, so the number would be 1,083. Before 541 would be 441, because 4 comes before 5. 541, 641. And then we have 3,218. You look at the hundreds place and change that number. So before 2 comes 1, so 3,118. And then 3,318. Okay, let's review the Roman numerals again. And so X means 10, IV means 4, V means 5, I means 3, IX is 9, II is 2, XIII is 13, I is 1, VI is 6, XI is 11, VII is 7, VIII is 8. Okay, and then here again we have some more about what we have today. So we have like place value. Always you start at the right and work your way to the left. So 9 is ones. 7 is tens. 2 is in the hundreds, 2 hundreds, 2 sets of 100, and 3 is thousands. 4 is 10,000s. And 8 is 100,000s. Okay, and then we would look over here, and we're working with these numbers. So this number says 84,392. We would put the 2 in the ones place, and it's supposed to be a T up there for tens, and then 9 goes in the tens place, 3 hundreds, 4 in the thousands, and 8 in the 10,000s. Next number is 692,814. 4 goes in the ones, 1 goes in the tens, 8 in the hundreds, 2 in the thousands, 9 in the 10,000s, 6 in the 100,000s. This number, 3,527, so 7 goes in the ones, 2 in tens, 5 hundreds, and 3 in the thousands. 846,915, 5 again in the ones, 1 in the tens, 9 in the hundreds, 6 in the thousands, 4 in the 10,000s, and 8 in 100,000s. Okay, let's review fractions. So you still remember what 1/2 is? Half of this is shaded. It has 2 parts. So 2 is going to be my bottom number, and there is 1 part that's shaded. 1/2 is the fraction. For this one, we have 4 parts and 3 are shaded, so we would say 3/4 of it is shaded. And this one has 6 parts, 2 are shaded, so we would say it is 2/6. Okay, and then we have lines here to measure. So I'll get my ruler out and we will measure those lines. Okay, so here we have 8 1/2 inches. And these 2 little things stand for inches. You may use that or you can write inches down. And then the next one looks like 11 inches. So we'll write 11 inches. And then we have 4 1/2 inches. So we will write 4 1/2 inches. All right, so now we're ready to look over here on the reading problem in the money section. So we have a reading problem up here. Let's do that first of all. It says Seth read 42 books last year. This year he read 23 books. How many books did he read in all? So we'll underline our numbers and our keywords with numbers. So 42 books, 23 books, and in all. So if you think in your mind what's happening, so Seth was reading 42 books last year, and this year he read 23 books, and it's asking how many books in all, so we add for in all, right? So we're going to go 42 plus 23. 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6. So 65 books, and now we'll write our thing out here. We have 42 plus 23 equals 65 books. So altogether, Seth read 65 books so far this year and last year, altogether 65 books. All right, so now let's do the money here. We have a whole bunch of money to think about. And remember, we go by ones when we have pennies, we go by 5s when we have nickels and $5 bills, and we go by 10s when we have dimes and $10 bills. And when we have pennies, we also go by pennies, ones, and $1 bills are ones also. Okay, so let's look over here on the board, and we're going to count the money. We have 2 10s, so that's 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $29, and so we'll write 29 here. And then here we have quarters, so quarters go by 25s, 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 98 cents. Let's count again just to make sure. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $29, and 3/4, 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 98 cents. So it looks like we're correct on that. Let's go on the next line here. So we have 9 5s, and if you think on the clock, whenever your minute hand is at the 9, it's 45. So think of that. So 9 5s is $45, 45, 46, 47, $47. And for your coins here, we have 3/4, 25, 50, 75, 75, and then your 5 nickels, so we'll go by 5s again, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we have a whole dollar in coins, so we need to add another dollar to 47 here. And so we will add another dollar there, and it's going to make it say 48 now. So $48 and 0 cents. So let's count again. Here we have 9 fives, $45, 45, 46, 47, and then 25, 50, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we have $48 altogether. That was correct. Let's do the next line. So 4 tens, that'd be 10, 20, 30, 40, $40. 40 plus 8 ones, so just go 40 plus 8 would be 48. $48 we have here. And now let's do the coins. So we have 1 quarter, which is 25 cents, 25 and then 4 dimes. So we'll go by tens, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 65, 66, 67 for 2 pennies. So 67 cents, $48.67. Let's count again just to make sure. So we have $40 here, 40, 48, $48 and quarters, 25 cents, 35, 45, 55, 65, 66, 67, $48.67. That is correct. Okay, let's take a look at this line now. So we have 7 $10 bills. 7 $10 bills make $70. So $70, 70, 3 5, so let's go by 5, 75, 80, 85, $85. And then for our coins, we have 2 quarters, so 25, 50, 3 dimes, so we'll go by tens from 50, 60, 70, 80,